This is the Ghost K1 keyboard. Now it's another gaming keyboard, so take that for what it's worth. This one wasn't cheap either. It was 170 Canadian dollars, but this time I actually got the warranty with it, in-store warranty, so if anything goes wrong with it, I can just take it back and get another one. Now, Ghost is a company that spawned from the Clutch Chair Company. I mean, I had no idea who they were, so maybe this is going to be good, maybe it's going to be bad. Who knows? But this video is just going to be a quick overview of the K1, and I'll be showing you some of the things that come in the box. So, there, let's check it out. The two features that really interested me were the Bluetooth wireless and the Cherry MX switches. I went with the blue switches this time. It looks like the keyboard was packaged the wrong way up. That's interesting. In the box, you get a USB Type-C cable, an invitation leaflet to extend your warranty by promoting their product on social media, quick start guide that goes over function key combinations, custom lighting, macro recording, and basic parameters. They give you a second spacebar with some spooky logoing on it, and actually I put this one on because the one that came on the keyboard didn't work properly. I'm just going to mention that this problem was totally taken care of by putting on the little spooky spacebar that they gave you. Yeah, it works fine now, so I see this as a very small inconvenience. Perhaps it's a problem with the keyboards themselves, or maybe I actually wound up buying a keyboard that had been returned. I'm unsure, but I don't see this as being a deal breaker. Anyways, moving on. You also get a Bluetooth 5 wireless adapter and a keycap puller. The overall build quality of the K1 actually feels pretty good. It's not as heavy as I would quite like, and there's some light bleed issues and things like that with the lighting on the keyboard. The keycaps feel okay. They don't feel great. They don't feel terrible. By no means am I an expert in that, but I'm just going to leave the rest of this video and you can see some of the color settings that it goes through. Anyways, if you liked my video, be sure to like and subscribe, and maybe leave a comment down below, especially if you've noticed anything odd about when I opened up the keyboard, how the keyboard was upside down, and how maybe you had a sticking space bar as well. I'm John, and thanks for watching.